If you need to block someone on Cash App, the process is straightforward. Follow these steps to ensure that you no longer receive transactions or messages from the person you want to block. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Activity. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the user. Scroll through your activity list to locate the transaction or interaction with the person you want to block. Tab on the specific transaction to open more details. Step 4. Block the user. Once you are in the transaction details, look for the option to block or report. Tap on this option to initiate the blocking process. Step 5. Confirm the block. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to block the user. Confirm your choice, and the user will be blocked from sending you money or messages. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on Cash App and maintain your privacy. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Cash App support.